So this will be a quick tutorial on how to make coily hair on dreadlocks. Like you're on dreadlocks doesn't mean you have to be stuck on one particular look. So you can spice up things by adding other extensions on your dread. So we'll just go straight into the tutorial now. I'm dividing the hair now according to the pattern of the dreadlocks. Her dreadlocks at the back is a bit loose because she has not retwisted for a while. She has been changing hairstyles on dreadlocks, so she has not retwisted for a while. So there is much undergrowth under it, which makes it a lot better, because with the undergrowth, at least the root can be very slim. Plait it normal, just like your normal box braid, but holding one root. You know, the dreadlock is a strand, so holding a strand in one of the three pattern of the extension. Make sure you take an extension that's bigger than the dreadlocks. As you can see, you know, this hair, it's normally, you know, very slim, but because of his own dreadlocks, and the dreadlocks is slim also, but at least you have to get a hair that is bigger than the dreadlocks. So getting that kind of, when you crisscross, yes, you cross it into three parts so you can concentrate. Take it that way, just like so. You just be repeating the process until you finish wrapping. And the one that doesn't, sometimes it doesn't grip. Sometimes when you make it, it doesn't just stay. So when it happens that way, you just have to redo it. That is the idea of it. When it doesn't stay, redo it. Don't stress it. So you just have to continue that way until the hair is done. At this point, if you have not yet subscribed, this is the best time to hit the subscribe button. And if there's any hairstyle you want me to make, feel free to comment it in the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you to respond, because we are a community here and we are building a massive love up community. Thanks so much for your support, guys. Like, share to those who need to see it, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. you've been searching, silencing your mind. Trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade away? We'll take it day by day.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feeling lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
So in this area you have to start taking like 2-3 strands of the dreadlocks, because if you don't, the hair is going to be too full that it will go out of shape. So in order for us to beat that fullness a little, you have to increase the size of dreadlocks you start taking. At the beginning, you see, we were taking 1 strand only, but as we progress, we increase to 2 to 3 at the middle, then before we go back to 1. So that is how it's going to be. If you don't do it this way, you risk getting too full hair. Even this one was very full, but that was my customer's preference anyway. She likes her hair very full.
I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye.
So this brings us to the end of the video. Baptize the hair with enough styling oils, because that's what activates the coils and makes it lush. Styling oils, washing, other activator that you have. So after doing this, you trim off the excess hair, those that's longer, those that have little frizz, trim them off, and voila, there you go. Your coils on dreadlocks all ready for you to rock. She was so happy about her hair, because being on dreadlocks alone, man, sometimes it can be boring, but spicing it up like this makes you never to feel it. Whenever you want to rock your dreadlocks, you rock it with Braid, and whenever you want to add little spice to it, you're all good to go. And this is it. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. See you in my next one. Bye.